This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. So, markets dead dive yesterday afternoon, and they've continued. You see, ES from its top yesterday dropped almost 100 points, 90 some. Tried to come back up, and then Europe sold off here as well. High day 50.65, low 50.37. So about 28 points in range. And Q 529, the high, 460 the low. It's about 60 something. Wait, is that right? It's like should be a bigger range compared to what ES is. Is 529, 412. That makes more sense. So about 115 points in range. Kappa also coming down. Everything seemed to come down overnight. About 80 ticks in range there. Gold popping back up, but as you can see, it actually dropped under 2,300 for the first time in a while. Back above now, about 17 points in range. Ultra Bond also bouncing here after getting below 120. Actually got below 120 yesterday. About a half a point in range. You crude dumped. It's trying to hold on to 80. I don't remember the last time I see crude dip below 80. It's a little over a point in range. Natural gas down, and even Bitcoin dropping all the way down to 57K. Actually dropped down to 56K. Rebounded a little bit. Lowest Bitcoin has been in a while. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take. As you see, move up here, trying to recover some. So, popping up. First day of May, FOMC day. Now, FOMC days sometimes are choppy in the morning. So we have a bunch of news this morning. We have the U.S. ADP employment change coming up in about 5 minutes. U.S. Treasury quarterly refunding. I have no idea what that is. I don't remember seeing that report before. It's coming up at 8:30. At 9:45, U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI. At 10 o'clock, we get jolted with a JOLTS report. And ISM manufacturing PMI. And then at 10:30, crude oil inventories. Nice little rise up here. Obviously, I missed the blues, but that's okay. Moving half decently. Logged out. Logged out. There we go. Tries again, pulls down. So let's try to continue our good momentum from yesterday when we were up 500 and something. Where's everybody at this morning? Back up and back down. We're taking the short there. Looks like it's gonna come right back up. Made it 454, set the stop at 458.5. It's about a 4-point stop. Let's see if it comes back up on me. Which it looks like it's gonna do. So it wasn't a clean break, so stopped out. Yeah, no, so I misread it. I don't know. Still rising up. Let's do a higher time frame here and mark our highs and our lows. That seems to be the high of the overnight right there. And this seems to be our low. Quiet morning. Remember, you have U.S. ADP employment change coming up in like 3 minutes. Stay flat till after news, I believe. Watching and waiting. Waiting and watching, watching and waiting. Twenty seconds to that first bit of news. Little pop on it and down, up and down, more down than up. But well, I mean, it's not huge either way. That's what she said. About a 14-point range on that 15-second candle. See where it goes. Trying a short off that purple candle. It's iffy. Very iffy. Dang it. Okay. We'll see ya. Market's going to suck today, isn't it? Yeah, we just had the ADP employment change there at quarter after the hour. If something called U.S. Treasury quarterly reporting coming up at 8:30 Eastern, and other stuff at 9:45 and 10. Rising back up. You're welcome, Rad. I'm here to serve. Back up to 473. Blue candles abundant there. It's like, I guess I should be grabbing. I don't know. It's not moving as well as I thought. Well, we'll see where it goes. Bulls back. I'll hold off for a little bit. I don't feel I'm seeing the market as well as I should be right now yet. I'll let the market kind of play here a little bit. There it goes again. Back to 481. So we dipped on the news and then continuing to rise up. We've been in this little uptrend since a little before the top of the hour. Pulls back a bit. In case you missed it, Apex just extended their 80% sale yesterday. It's still now it's gonna go for the entire month of May. Oh yeah, I need to turn off a Nightbot or two for other things, I think. Redo the Nightbots. There we go. Hello, D. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Well, you need to reframe that into another day, another something positive. Another day, another day in my journey toward profitability, toward consistency, etc. If you think about blowing your accounts, your mind kind of goes that way, almost expecting it, and it can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. Morning, Mr. Speed Racer. Apex, still 80% off. New Bulenox deals haven't come in yet. Most likely, once they do, they'll have 83% off. Right now, they haven't updated their deals for the month yet. So right now, it's Apex. If you want outright, just the cheapest eval. ETF is also going to be doing 80%. They haven't released a code for that yet. And of course, then you have Topstep, just always $49 for their 50K. Yeah, Apex is still doing the 1-day pass as well. You're welcome. As always, if you Wouldn't mind using my link that's down in the video description below. I'd appreciate it, but no pressure. Cool. Hey, John. Good morning. Awesome. That works. Thank you. I appreciate it very much, D. Yeah, looks like it's trying to chop down now. Take any trades yet, John? Yeah, TikTok Trader actually was once my stream sponsor. They had a little bit of a falling out. They were kind of very rude. And a couple other issues, but I am an affiliate, but I haven't put the link back up yet. Um, they're a okay prop. I mean, I kind of feel like there's better props out there, but there's nothing wrong with them. Yeah, okay. Yeah, they're like I said, they're not the best, but I tend not to, any prop that I know that pays people like and all that, I don't, I'll say they're okay, but yeah, there's better options out there. Why? What happened to you with MD? Ooh, wow, and right back down. Okay, so I never heard of the report that just came out, but apparently it matters. U.S. Treasury quarterly refunding. I have no idea what that is. I don't ever remember seeing it mentioned before. But U.S. Treasury says it does not expect to increase nominal coupon or floating rate note auction sizes for the next several quarters. John, what the heck does that even mean? U.S. Treasury says to increase June 5-year TIPS reopening auction size by $1 billion to $21 billion. It's banking news, so I thought maybe you might know. Yeah, I've never heard of it, but that was quite the reaction to whatever it was. Uh, See, I've been you know, dragging my feet about re-adding them back into the props I promote, and maybe it's a good thing. I don't know. I go from, do I want to be an absolute complete resource? I do track them on the index sheets that I have, but I don't promote them. I don't know. I keep going to promote. Should I have every prop on those index sheets and everything so everyone gets a firm view? Look at this go. Back above 17,500. I don't know what the market loved about that news, but apparently we need to find more about that news and remember it happening. Oh, we went from boring and mundane to boom. There was a good blue candle there on the on the 30-second chart, yeah, but morning, Cossack. Short here, trying to fade this a little bit. Let's see if I get anything. Hoping for a little bit more velocity. Apparently, it's not going to go. Nope, popping back up. Oh, here it comes, maybe. There we go. Target hit. Nice 6.25 point trade. So what did I do there? What did I do? I haven't got a no, I'm kidding. Purple candle after that big move up. Felt like it was too quick, too fast, all that. Got the first purple candle and faded it for that 6.625. So we're going to re-enter there on this purple. And if it goes wrong, we'll just give back that last win. I don't want it to go wrong, but that looks like it's. That's trying to bounce. It's going to knock me out right there. Yep, stopped out, so backwards we go. That sucks. Long. Target hit. So we win a trade, we lose a trade, we win a trade, we lose a trade. No. So we got back up to 507. Got up to 512 there, 507 there because it's a lower high. Maybe. We shall see. Hanging here right above 500. ES up to 50.54. Overnight high on ES 50.65, so it's a ways to go. Nice big hourly candle there on NQ now, 55 points. Hey JC, how you doing? I am doing good, thank you. JC, did you see I got the channel up for your idea? Coming down now. Didn't trust these purples because you see it's kind of grinding down there. See if it continues. Yeah, I made a big announcement about it yesterday. I tagged you in it, but it was yesterday afternoon. I still need to get the description and stuff in the channel, but Mala already used it and put his like last week's worth of trade stats in there. A drop in here. So, you saw these grind of purples. Like I mentioned that lower high right here compared to here. And we had this little grind of purples. They all would have worked actually, but eh, we're slowing down a bit again now. 19 minutes till the top of the hour. Coming down more. Long. Maybe a bad idea. Plus I was late. God, I was late. Okay. We'll get you figured out. Awesome. With which, Topstep? Awesome. Doesn't seem to want to go here. Oh, maybe. Come on. Hey, Shad, how's it going? Doing well, thank you. Well, that's odd. So is PayPal not working for you, Classic, or ah, it's coming down? I'm gonna jump out there at the small loss, 3 tick loss. Yeah, someone needs to tell me if TradeDay works with my link because I've never had a sale with TradeDay. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Like I mean, I've been an affiliate for a year. We've never had a sale. It seems weird. Not that anyone should buy it just for that reason. Yeah, they're 40% off, no activation fees. They're actually, I should have stayed in that trade. It's actually makes them the cheapest 50K once you consider fees. Yes, 7 days a shot. Ooh, boom. Little boom. Little whoosh. We're heading toward the high day, which was 529. Very good. You can request after the first day if you want. Yeah, I've never seen them this cheap. This is the cheapest I've ever seen them when you consider the eval and the no funded setup fee. Thank you, Ashad. I try to make that very valuable for the trader. Keep trying to figure out if I should add some of these other props or not and all this other stuff. Doing my best with it. I got to start getting reviews up of the props. I've been saying that for months now. I just haven't figured out a template that I like. But I gotta get it done. I gotta get the reviews up. That'll really, I think, increase the channel's visibility and good, good resources. I have a bunch of other things that I just, want to compare as well that throws those sheets up. A lot of stuff, just not as much time as I need in my life. Well, and maybe, but I mean, I will say, there are firms that aren't like that. TradeDay, Blusky, um, come to mind. Topstep's not horrible in its payout policy. Yeah. So, Blusky does have intraday, but they also have those static accounts. You just gotta be willing to go a little slow with them since they have limits on your contract sizing. Yeah, I really like. I mean, I favor Blusky because of the people. Working with Josh and seeing, he and I talk a lot, and I just see that the company's not just out to make money. The company's out to see traders profit. They're ones that really want to. They would love that if all their income came from, uh, the percentage that traders, the 10% or 20%, whatever, that they make off of traders once they're live and they're profiting. Yeah, I mean, I do agree. The only real kind of little tricky thing with that top step that they don't like, they should make a little bit more what's the word, known, because sometimes it surprises people. They say you can take a payout after you make 5 days of $200 of profit, which is absolutely wonderful. What they don't tell you though is that if you do that and you only have $1,000 in profit, which no one should be taking it out that quick, in my opinion, anyway. But point is, if someone does, the the drawdown moves up to zero. So, at that point, you would only have like $500 of drawdown left. They don't tell you that. Well, they tell you, but it's kind of not as obvious as it should be that happens. That's the only issue I have with Topstep's payout policy. I'm sorry to hear that, Ashad. We're back down to 17,500. About 7 minutes till the top of the hour. Almost to the bell. And that's the awesome thing about, it's a great time to be a futures prop trader because you have so many good options. You know, anything I actually promote, I don't feel is a bad option. Yeah, there's better options versus, but they're all going to pay you. They're all going to, it's just, what do you prefer versus what the price you want to pay? On Topstep, JC, I think so, but uh, ping Justin Eck on the Discord because he's live with Topstep and ask him. He has no problem answering questions. Whenever someone has a question about Bulenox, I ping him because he's like my Bulenox expert as well. Uh, Talk about the statics of the regular accounts. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, I can make that suggestion. Yeah, I guess most that have a 6K profit target have a 3K drawdown versus a 2,500. Yeah, but I mean, I'm pretty sure. I mean, if he knows, he'll answer your question. Yeah. They're all good options. Ashad. Here. Oh. Oh. That French prop firm. Someone just joined my Discord from it. Phidias or whatever. Yeah, I'll ask while I'm doing nothing here anyway. Or Chape. So it's interesting that someone from that French prop firm found me, or at least my Discord. Quick drop down there, little rebound, a little bit of a volume spike there, not as big as we usually look for. It's interesting. I had this volume spike here, but it didn't really go anywhere. Almost the top of the hour. Remember FOMC this afternoon. Be careful if you're trading into the afternoon. On what account, Cossack? Okay, JC, Justin says you still need 5 days over 200 as far as I recall. And he says his current live is not active yet. That's why he hasn't said anything about it. Wow, that's been like a couple of weeks. Oh, apparently, Malaface says after 30 days of $200 in profit, then you can request as often as you want. Nice little. I was thinking about going long there off of that quick first down. I felt like that was going to be a reversal back up. I did go with my thought, but I obviously it would have worked. Now we're going to get blue candle bounce. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, give me 1 second. I might be entering a trade here. Nope, no entry. Justin was on Express. They called him up to live. Seems like it was a couple weeks ago, but it's still not active yet. But after 30 days of making $200 or more, you can request as often as you want, according to Mala. Before that, it's wait, hold on. Yeah, so it sounds like as long as you have the 30 days between the Express and the live of $200 or more, then you can request anytime you want. Is what I'm getting between Justin and Mala. Pulling back. Whoops, what did I just do? Actually, I put my volume above. You're very welcome, JC. That's why I love the Mighty Ox Trading community. Somebody usually knows the answers. Yes, we are. Trying to pushing down there. A little less than half an hour till the bell. Yes. Slow day today, only 13 people here. Mind you to gore that like button for me though. If you get a chance, I appreciate it. It's kind of sitting there. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Sitting right under 500. What's the crude doing? It's open. Crude's coming down. Yep, there it is. There's the email. Oh, wow, that French prop firm has swing accounts with overnight and over the weekend capabilities. Well, wait, guys, let me make sure I'm not missing something. This is interesting. Our company offers swing accounts as overnight and over weekend capabilities, as well as a master account per trader, which gives access to a live account with a large account capacity and access to futures and options on futures. I'm sorry, Cossack. It's hard for me to keep everything straight. But yeah, they want to partner with me. I don't know. I'll have to look at this one. I'm not trying to trade. I just saw the email. I saw they popped into my Discord. So if anyone in Discord wants to tag them, they are in there. They haven't said anything yet. They only popped in like 5 minutes ago. And now I just saw the email come into my email. I need to get in touch with them. I need to get in touch with MotoWave. They want to do onboarding so I can promote them. I hope not. If not, I'm going to need to like hire CFT to like translate. The email is in English, so I'm almost assuming. Here's the thing. It seems like most Americans don't learn another language, but it seems like most non-Americans all learn at least English and usually like 5 other languages. So my guess is there's somebody there that's going to be able to communicate with me. JC Elite Trader Funding has their Diamond Hands account. You can swing with them. So there is one other out there. The options on futures, though, is absolutely new. That's the one that is interesting. Not to me. I can't figure out options for anything on stocks. I've never even looked at options on futures. So, but I'm sure that will be interesting to people. Yeah. Just hanging around 500 here, waiting for another entry. Yeah, I will. Uh, I will get with them after the stream. I'm gonna need a publicist soon because I need to get with MotoWave, set up something there. Diamond Hands account, max positions, 2 minis or 20 micros, JC. The eval is a profit target of 5,000 and a max drawdown of 3,500 with a daily loss limit of 1,500. It's an end of day drawdown. You can hold overnight and on weekends. And ETF is starting an 80% sale, by the way. Now, I don't know whether it's on that Diamond Hands account yet. I have not yet seen the details of the sale. I don't have a link yet, or at least not my link. It's called, I have no idea if I'm even pronouncing it right. Phidias, Phidas. We are about less than 20 minutes to the bell. Yeah, I in the email the email they sent. So I'm not sure. Maybe there's something I don't know. I guess it says. I guess you need to get to a live account before they offer the options, as well as a master account for a trader, which gives access to a live account with a large account capacity and access to futures and options on futures. So apparently, you need to prove you can trade before they give you the option to have options. But I can try and find out details. Like I said, I need a publicist. Or no, maybe not a public. I need like a communications manager. Oh, nice blue candle there. I don't know. Kind of struggling to get through this area. 20 funded accounts. Okay. Oh, so D seems to. Oh, I agree, G-Man. I wouldn't touch options, but I know some people like them. So, okay. So I take it you looked into them, D. What do you think overall? I mean, I was considering, adding them to begin with, but I didn't know whether or not the language barrier, because like all their tweets are in French, so it's like I don't know what they're saying. Well, I'll talk with them sometime. Oh wow, where'd this little whip come from? Wow, that was interesting. Popped up to 516 and then whipped right back down. It popped up for just like a second. Yeah. Yeah, in my opinion, G-Man, options on anything is is very dangerous. I don't know what the heck that little spike was. I also don't know why I feel like I'm hyper today. I don't know. Yeah, obviously, yeah, yeah. Holding over the weekend, I know people, I just, I don't, I would be too worried. Oh, so another burst up. Market, this is acting really kind of weird. Hey, RJ. Good morning. Oh, Ace, I missed you. Sorry. Good morning. A lot of conversation here, real quick. All of a sudden, I'm missing people. Just don't answer the phone. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I never understood the whole Greek thing. It's Greek to me. Yeah, G-Man's had his nightmares with options. Bulenox still hasn't announced their new sales. Waiting on it. Nope, the Diamond Hands is not on sale as ETF, just one-step evals. Do they have two-step evals? That doesn't make sense to me. So no static, no end of day. Their sale is on just their intraday. Ew. They sure made that sale sound better than what it was. All your option talk is like, I have no idea what you're saying. But feel free to continue to talk amongst yourselves. We are 10 minutes till the bell. Absolutely. Always trade what's best for you, what you're comfortable with, what speaks to you. You know, yeah, definitely not options for newcomers. No, 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 no. There's a reason no other prop firm offers options. I have no idea what Delta One is. It's an airline, isn't it? Oops. For a burst up with off that blue candle, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Out. How you doing today, Ace? Oh, wow. Nice day on bonds. Ultra bonds. did I just do? Oh, I see what I did. I think. Hmm. I just screwed up my. Maybe now it's okay. Yeah, there we go. Well, so nope, rejected down there. Do you usually do that on a Thursday, Ace? Ace, I believe a smart trader has said a few times that no trade is a trade. And if you're not feeling well, you probably shouldn't trade. Whether or not you're wearing pants or not. Do you have to do bus duty, or the one that gets on the bus also sick? Faux shizzle. Yeah, I was just wondering if they were sick too. You said it was going through the house, so. Kids are excellent for getting everybody sick. As we head toward the Zabel. Quick fall. So you can see from our 5-minute chart, we've been heading upwards. Up, 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 up. So we'll see what we do at the bell. Two minutes. As Ace just said. 40 seconds. So fell under 500 here right before the bell. It's actually hanging around 500 as we ring the bell. Ooh. That was quite the first 15 seconds. Dipped 15 points and came all the way back. Ace is long. Very clearly not taking my advice of not trading today. Ace now wishing that he had taken my advice. Back under 500 on NQ. ES hanging around 50, 58. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. There's a bounce. More bounce to the ounce. What the heck do I keep doing? There's two, right, Ace? Now get the kids out the door and then rest. Ox's orders. And don't get Mrs. Ace sick. Still falling. It's a weird way of saying hello, Hassan. Dow to you too. Oh, Dow's rising nicely. 100 points, almost 100 points on the Dow. Oh, I thought women only had cooties. Ah, dang. Reject, stopped out. Ah, couldn't get through that EMA. I should have just taken it there. Dang it. Yeah, gave everything back from yesterday now. Whatever. Let's try it again. Now it gets through the EMA. We'll try again. Well, I was a little early. Usually I'm late. Come on, a little bit further. There we go. Target hit. Got that last trade back. That darn quick. For my next entry. Hanging around 482. ES doesn't look real fun down there in the 30-second chart. Dow's pulling back. Hassan, did you get out? Are you still in? I asked a two-part question there. Are you? Did you get out, or are you still in? Okay, so looking out here, you see it kind of got up to 501 there. Just got up 501 there. Can it break through 501? Isn't that a denim? 501 jeans? Or am I imagining stuff? And could not get through 501. All right. Now Hassan is short. Not that we judge. All the coupon codes just disappeared from my Bulenox dashboard, so the new sale for Bulenox should be up shortly. Went into a trading room and then gangster rap broke out. Oh yeah, that's right. Thanks for reminding me, JC. I need more screen space so I can have the news up. Yep, 4 minutes from now, U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI, and then at the top of the hour we get jolted. U.S. jolts job openings, plus another PMI report. Great job, Hassan. Getting a blue candle layer, blue candle. But anyway, it was half wick, half body. Hey, Sid, nice to see you. Good to see you 2 days in a row. How are things? So no fencing today, Sid? Pulls back here right before this news. Again, it got up to 511, so that's 3 times now. Bop, bop, bop. But, well, did I imagine that? No, it's 501. Never mind. I'm an idiot. Imagining Sid there with a whip. Awesome. Making them work in the rain. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Nice drop here. It bounced now that the news has come. Okay, trying to bounce. Not doing a good job of it. We'll get jolted in 14 minutes. There's a new prop firm called Legends Trading that Prolonged Wealth is promoting. Guess I need to check them out as well. Kosik, do you know about every prop firm in the world? I'm just kidding around. Where do you see that at? Kosik, could you do me a favor when you see new firms? Let me know about them. The ones that I don't seem to know about. I appreciate that. That Prolonged guy is always ahead of me, and he and I talked last week or a week before. He told me he's on pace to make $1 million in affiliate earnings this year. So it's like trying to stay ahead of him is hard. I mean, kinda, but I mean, obviously, it's allowed me to focus on my trading more since I don't have to worry about. It's been helping pay my bills. But the thing is, I want to be a trader. I don't want to be an affiliate marketer. I like being a resource for traders on prop firms. I don't want to ever. I don't want to. Right now, I'm relying on my affiliate income to pay my bills. It's gotten me where I can relax. But I don't want that to. I want that to be a secondary thing. Heck, if I ever get to where trading can pay my bills and I'm comfortable, I either will let other people, I'll promote them with other people's links. So if someone might be struggling, or I will donate my affiliate income. But right now, right now it's great. But yeah, I want to be a trader. So, I mean, I'm not going to take my eye off the prize. I had a record month last month. It was awesome, and for April. But thank you, Sid, and I appreciate everybody that's helped me get there. You know, my life has turned around big time in the last 6 months, and obviously it's the support. Ugh, easy for me to say, support of this community that's helped that. Now I just need to get the trading where I want it to be. Oh yeah, I mean, like I said, that prolonged wealth guy told me he's on pace for $1 million this year. In case you're wondering, you know, absolutely nowhere close for me. But right now, it's cool because it's paying my bills each month. I've been able to pay off some credit cards, and like my washing machine gave out last month, and I'm gonna be able to get a new one. Whereas if that would have happened a few months back, I don't know what I would have done. Just 6 months ago, is how fast it's turned around. Just 6 months ago, less than six, yeah, about six. I had passed Apex, and I didn't know where I was going to come up with the money to pay the PA fees. And someone in the community actually helped me out with that. That's where I was 6 months ago. And now it's like if I pass another eval that has a setup fee, I don't have to worry about it. It's the little things. Money does not buy happiness, but it does buy contentment. It buys the ability to relax. Put it that way. The fact that I don't need to worry about making the bills each month is tremendous. Yeah, I mean, just to take those worries off my shoulders of figuring out the bills, figuring out you know how much I got to pay those bills, and you know it's just nice. And maybe I should have kept that thoughts to myself so I don't get too much competition. I'm kidding, joking. Thing is, I've worked hard for this. I do. I don't usually toot my own horn, but like the idea of the prop firm discount snapshot, and doing that every night. You know, getting that set up, those sheets that I do, all the stuff that I want to do yet. And that's helped those earnings. I like the fact that I'm helping the community with that. That's, the joy that helping the community gives me is awesome. And obviously that's also helped boost the income. Now I still need to get, like I said earlier, I need to do reviews of all the props. That'll help the channel. That'll help the community. I just still haven't figured out the exact way I want to do it. I need to sit down and concentrate on that for an hour. Yeah, I was thinking that, G-Man. We're usually choppy on FOMC days, but also here waiting for the news, like you said. We do have the JOLTS report coming up in less than 4 minutes. Thank you, JC. I really appreciate that. I don't know where I would be without this community. Not I don't mean just the affiliate earnings. I mean the fact that you guys have kept me motivated. You guys have motivated me to do the stuff that I've done with the sheets and the videos and all that. Excellent, Hassan. Yes. So wait, you have the algo going plus your manual trading on a different account, Hassan? Is that what I'm understanding? Market's kind of fallen here. It kind of got lulled to sleep, but that would have been a good purple. Oh, okay. Okay. So it's okay. I got you. Yes. Let's get jolted. Nice move up here before jolts. Back up. Back up off me. Now see that? See how that purple candle worked and that blue candle worked, and I didn't take either of them. I did figure out though that the algo, the bot that I have now is not going to be able to be used on a 15-second chart. It'll be flagged for high frequency trading. I'm going to have to use it probably on a 1 minute chart at the minimum. I have it. I mean, I didn't test it on the 30-second, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to need to be on a minute or higher. I mean, that's what I'm guessing. Now, I mean, there were some adjustments made. It was the first version, like it was getting out if there was an opposite signal when it should hold it. So it'll reduce some trades, but like when I had it testing on Friday, and in 4 hours it took 139 trades. So it's like 40 trades an hour, 30 trades, 35 trades an hour. I'm not sure. I'm not sure there's any firm that's going to be. Yeah, I'm going to test it on a higher time frame as well. one of the higher time frames. But I'm not sure there's any firm that would be okay with 30 to 40 trades an hour, Hassan. I mean, I could be wrong, but So, I think there's some typos in there. Can you repeat your question? They also, what bot? Do you want to know what the bot was just custom coded for me based on my strategy. We just got jolted. See the move down on the jolting, and now it's trying to pop back up. Yeah, it was custom coded for me by a member of the community based on the strategy I use. Long, and we hit my target. Wow. That was a 5-second trade at most. 10 points in 5 seconds. Let's look. I need to start taking my ashwagandha again. I'm too hyper. 3 seconds. 10 points in 3 seconds. Yeah, Blue Sky doesn't care. Yeah, the guy that did it use the strategy builder. Yeah, but FFN doesn't have Ninja Trader. My bot's written in NT. Unless FFN works in Ninja Trader, that because I do have the lifetime license with NT. Yeah, I don't want to go to the daily meetings with the Apteros. That'll interrupt with my stream, I think. Blue candle again, trying here. Just messing with that EMA though, so nope, couldn't break it. Hmm. Uh, I didn't because he just offered to do it for me. I mean, I would have paid at a point in time where I was, ready to pay or something like that. But he just wanted to, because he's just learning, I guess, how to use Strategy Builder. He wanted the chance to do it as a way of giving back to me for some of the resources he's used in the community. Yeah, I could never. I mean, I'm sure if I took the time, but time's not something I have a lot of between trading and running the community and you know all that other fun stuff. I don't have a lot of spare time. We're short off that purple candle. Not breaking though. Oh, there we go. Maybe. Ooh, bounce. There we go. Target hit. Another 10 points. Wow, big target there, Cossack. See, I just can't do that, Cossack. Uh, I, uh, I couldn't hold that long. I'll be way too jittery. Now, if I go to a higher time frame with the bot and whatever, then I'll hold longer. I'm back to green on the day, by the way, guys. After I went red earlier, back to green. He just offered to do it for me. I mean, if I'm sure if he wanted to get back to me for the resources I provide the community. So it's he just offered to do it. He didn't ask for payment. Which of course I appreciate very much. Obviously, normally people should definitely pay for stuff like that. But basically, he's just started learning Strategy Builder. He's been teaching himself, and he wanted to, do it more to see, what he could do as well. See if he could get it and all that. So gave him some learning as well. Moderately killing. Not sure that's a thing. Hassan, is she dead? Well, she's moderately dead. I can talk to him. It's hard to catch the entire move, even when manual trading, though. So I was right, by the way. No 90% sale on Bulenox this month. 83% is the best you're going to get. Which, isn't bad. Pushes down. Dropping like it's hot. Back down. We hit 450. I'm sorry, 442 there. We're at 441, 39. So trying to bounce. Let's see if it bounces again. See, it's bounced here 3 times now, or 2 times. Let's see if this is a third. Cossack has either added contracts to his trade or he has diarrhea. Nice drop. Breaks through that level. Let's see if it's a poke or a full break. Blue candle bounce. Nope. Didn't like it, so I didn't take it. And so far, that's a good decision. Second blue candle trying to form, though. That's a good one. Or, nope, went away. Would have been a good one if it stayed. It did not stay. Away, away. Yep, I'll send him a message then and see what he has to say. Long. Ouch. Stopped. That sucked. So we're back in the red. Wasn't done coming down yet, obviously. And the low, there's the low. Getting close to the low line. I think. Low is what, 412? Low is 412. We're at 434. Oh. Oh, it's trying to entice me back into a long there. Yeah, long. That time the long would have worked. Absolutely. Yeah. Send me the message and then I will contact him. I don't want to give out his info before before I get his permission. So, so he doesn't like have like a whole bunch of people like asking him for things. But yeah, I'll play the middleman and see what we can get done. Absolutely. I like that. Long on that blue candle. And not breaking for me. stop. Well, we were having a good run. Tis what it is. That was a bad read on my part. We were coming down. Thought we were going to bounce. Didn't. You too, D. Have a good day. Ah, look at that. So it dipped enough to stop me out and went back up. I was right. Just idiots. And down. So quick gander at higher time frames. 5 minutes has offered me nothing. 15. That was before I started trading. Yeah, it was living good. Yeah, it's had a choppy day. For those of you that trade crude oil, if anyone here trades crude oil, your inventories come up in about 12 minutes. Pop. Took the long based on the 30-second chart. Hopefully it doesn't bite me. It's like it's going to bite me. No, maybe not. Come on, maybe. There we go. Eh, dang. Yeah, that's not working out. So after some great trades, I'm falling backwards again. Should have got out as soon as I seen that purple. Could have saved myself 4 points. Whippy. Nope. Some won't. Some don't want them, but most of them will. It depends. Like Apex, you're allowed to use them, but you got to manage your own stop and target. So you can use them for like entry. Others, you can use them for everything. Some just don't want high frequency bots, like ones that will make hundreds of trades a day for small gains. Like, if it's a bot that like is designed to take like 1 point on NQ and manipulate what might not be able to happen in real market conditions. But they're allowed on most. There's a few that don't want them at all. Yeah. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Interesting. I'm not sure what's up today. It was very low viewership rate today. We're only at 10 people here right now. I used to live stream FOMC. I would either do actually I just did all day an all day stream those days. I would go silent for like an hour, but I kept it up. I kept up the charts. Still rising up. There's back up to 469. Oh, did you just get knocked out, Cossack? Rising up. Yep. Getting in the elevator, going up. I need to figure out how to do animations for my ad graphics. Pulls back here. Was playing around with animation a little bit with ChatGPT 4, but it was kind of like not that great. I don't mean like full animation. I just mean like, it's one that I'm seeing has like the discount that just kind of slides into the full graphic. I don't know. I don't want like an ox running across the stream or running across the screen or anything. Crude oil inventories dropping hard, down 45 ticks. coming back down. Down and up. Back down to 461. I really don't like this price action. Rising up. All right. Sorry, it didn't work out for you, Cossack. Yeah, John, he's actually leading the league in ERA, and after this start, he's going to the bullpen. Nice rise. Back up to 489. Can we get back up to 500? Taiwan Walker. He came back on Sunday, so they ran a 6-man rotation this time only, but then they have like 2 off days coming up, so they don't need the 6-man. Plus, Wheeler doesn't like to go off rotation. He likes to pitch every 5th day if he can. Taiwan Walker is not a major league pitcher. Well, I shouldn't say that. He's not a good pitcher right now. He's barely hitting 90 on his fastball. He, you know, that game he pitched on Sunday could have been a lot worse than what it was. But he's got the contract, and I guess until he totally implodes. Plus, they are worried about the amount of innings Turnbull is throwing because he has been, limited on innings the last few seasons. So they're afraid that they, like throw him for too many innings, they could hurt him. Oh, I would too. And the Phillies forum that I'm part of, no one wants Walker to be in the starting rotation. But what do you do with a $20 million starting pitcher? I mean, drop in here. Tried, failed, coming down. Choppiness here at this 479 level. Trying to push back up. Excuse me for 1 second. Wow, look at that move up while I was going for that minute and a half. Market knew I wasn't looking. That's static. My mic's being weird. So how's everybody doing so far today? We have about 15 minutes to go in the stream. Red, green, somewhere in between? Ouch. You can recover that, Cossack. So in May, we have 22 trading days because we have one holiday. 22 trading days, a lot to get done in that month. My goal, I want to get this Blue Sky static to fund it, and I want to start taking at least 2 trades a day on each of my 2 funded accounts. Nice recovery, RJ. Nice, John. $32 isn't bad to try and recover from. Yeah, ES hasn't looked that appetizing over there, but NQ hasn't been either. And it tends to chop around on FOMC days. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Dirty, dirty. Obviously a very good question, G-Man. Oh, not that type of rev. Ooh, maybe not rev. Popped up there, NQ back above 17.5. and back below 17.5, and back above 17.5. Ooh, didn't mean to hit the mic. Sure, Mike didn't appreciate that. Then down. Tried to break again and could not. So we're back down to 95. Short based on that purple candle. It came back down, so we're gonna put our stop on top of that one, not the actual big one, but let's see if it drops for me. All right. Ooh, went 10 ticks, came back up. Ow. It's been doing that to me today. Come on. There we go. Get some momentum. Yeah, there you go. Come on. Nope, same spot bounced. So I'm out. Small loss. Yeah, something tells me that the time between now and FOMC would be a good time for me to work on stuff on the Discord.
Couple minutes till the top of the hour. Not the greatest day, but could be worse. G-Man go boom. Oh yeah, nice boom. Yep, down. So we've reached the top of the hour. A little bit of Pennsylvania Dutch accent there. Top of the hour, Novans. Do you want to thank everyone for joining me today? We'll be back this evening. That's right. Today's Wednesday. We'll have an evening stream tonight. Aftermath of FOMC, 7 to 9. I didn't advertise that at all this whole stream. Anyway. Okay, RJ. We'll see you on Friday. Have yourself a good day off. And we'll see everyone either tonight or tomorrow besides RJ. Have a great rest of your day. Talk to you next time. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.